Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So this week, Apple finally announced their latest iPhones, the iPhone 11 and the 11 Pro. And initially, I thought I was going to make a video to talk about it. But to be honest with you, there's not really anything that's really exciting or revolutionary for me to talk about, besides the fact that they're now offering 3 cameras, which Android phones have already been doing for a while now. And so I don't see that there's going to be a lot of things that I could talk about that's actually any different from what everybody else is already talking about. And so if you are already in the Apple ecosystem, you already have Apple products, more than likely you're going to get this and you're going to be happy with it. But for me, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and not talk about the Apple iPhone 11. So instead, I want to talk about another Apple product, and that is Apple Arcade, which should be coming out on September 19th. So for people who aren't aware, Apple Arcade is a monthly subscription service, and what they're going to do is offer games, about 100 plus different games for about $4.99 per month, and you do get a 1-month free trial. And from that, you can actually share your subscription with up to 5 family members. It's ad-free. You can play it on one device and play it on many others, but there's not really much that's different that other manufacturers or other providers haven't already done. And if you actually look at the games themselves, they're pretty much smartphone games. That's as far as I can tell, or indie games. Let's just say that. They're indie games. And a lot of these games, even though they are exclusive to the platform, I just don't see how people would pay $4.99 a month for the privilege of having these exclusive games. And not to say that the games are bad. I just think that if you are a person who loves playing games, you're a gamer, then you're probably already in other ecosystems already. You know, Nintendo, Sony PlayStation, Microsoft, Steam, PC, and there are a ton of indie games already available on those platforms. For all your web hosting needs, check out BlueHost, where you could get plans for as low as $3.95 per month. Sign up today and get a free domain plus a 30-day money-back guarantee. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below. And more than likely, they're probably going to be, let's just say, a lot deeper than what you're getting here in terms of the catalog and also the type of games that you're going to be able to get. And so for me, I really don't think this whole Apple Arcade thing is going to work, at least for true hardcore gamers especially. And so I think this is going to be, more similar to a lot of all the other Apple products that they're offering, like Apple TV or iTunes or Apple Music and so forth. It's for people who are already in the ecosystem. And in terms of people playing this is mostly casual games, like I said, iPhone games. So I don't know. I just don't see the appeal there. And at the same time, this is very similar to what Google is doing with Google Stadia. In that case, they're trying to reach the hardcore gamers. But the thing is, the service that they're using with this completely online cloud only while still charging people full price for a system that might or might not work reliably all around the world, I think that's also not going to work as well. So basically what I'm saying is Apple Arcade along with Google Stadia, they're going to be fails. And it's a fail because if they want to reach actual gamers, well, gamers already have options that are better than what's available here. And for myself, as you could probably tell, I love retro gaming. And as long as they still allow emulators and emulation to be around and they don't lock everything away in cloud services or bring down all these emulation sites, then for me, that's where I'm going for my gaming. And I think that's going to be better than the majority of these games available on these newer platforms, or I guess you could call Apple Arcade a newer platform, and Google Stadia as well. And so if you actually had any thoughts on this, whether you wanted to leave any of your thoughts on the Apple iPhone 11 or your thoughts on Apple Arcade or even Google Stadia, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.